The largest wildfire in Texas history has been burning for more than a week, and it's only 44% contained.
In Minnesota, early season wildfires burned thousands of acres over the weekend.
Meteorologist Jacob Morse is here to explain the status of those fires and the outlook for North Dakota's wildfire season. Jacob?
Alan, Monica, Texas's Smokehouse Creek fire has now burned more than 1.2 million acres north of Amarillo, making it the second largest in United States history. Meanwhile, recent wildfires in southern and western Minnesota indicate that the lack of snow on the ground is leading to an earlier than usual fire season. With less moisture than normal in North Dakota this winter, could our fire season also be worse? Since the start of 2024, abnormally dry conditions have increased in North Dakota by 57%, and drought has increased by 9%. Recent shots of moisture have helped, but more will be needed heading into spring, which is our main wildfire season. Anytime between the snowpack being gone and the green up of grasses, fires can occur if we get warm, windy, dry days. A dry winter can extend this time, leading to more potential wildfires. But drought is just one component, as the right weather conditions need to be present as well for fires to spread. Critical wildfire conditions occur when relative humidity is below 20% and sustained winds are over 20 miles per hour. At this point, a red flag warning will typically be issued to alert people to be extremely careful with open flames and to limit their chances of causing a spark. A cold front can often enhance critical wildfire weather conditions and make fighting them more challenging.
So if we look back at a lot of our big fires, we see that very often there's a cold front that passes during the time or just after the time of ignition of those big fires. A lot of times what that means is that it's very warm ahead of it, unseasonably warm, low relative humidity, and not only gusty winds, but shifting winds, which really can wreak havoc and play a big safety concern and sort of a strategy concern for wildland firefighters on the ground.
For western and central North Dakota, 2012 had the most red flag warning days of the past 15 years. In more recent memory, 2021, with little snowpack all winter and expansive drought, also had lots of wildfires.
The drought did set the stage for those fires in 2021, but it was really the weather events on top of those drought conditions that led to what we saw.
Although we're in a better position for drought and moisture than in 2021, drought development is likely across northern North Dakota, and it might come down to how many windy, dry days we get this spring. The National Interagency Fire Center has also placed the eastern half of North Dakota in the above normal risk category for wildfires in March and April. Alan?
All right, thanks.